In this video, we're going to show you how to repair a tube that's in a tire on a Bobcat skid steer. Dismounting this tire, you're going to want to look and see where the recess in the rim is, because that's the side that you're going to need to take the tire off from. Going to put a little bit of air back in this tube so we can figure out exactly where the leak is. Lay the area that we're working down on flat. Brush on some rubber cement. We're going to let that dry. We're going to peel half the backing off of our patch. Lay it so it's going to center over the hole. And pull off the other side. Lay it on there like so. And then we're going to stitch it starting from the middle, working our way out. And then diagonal the other way. Now that should be patched. And we have no leaks. We've got our tube reinstalled and our tire bead lubed up. Okay, tire's aired up. We don't have any leaks, so we're going to go ahead and put it back on. So our tire is back on. It's repaired. It's not leaking anymore. We were able to patch it, get it put on, and good to go. So anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.